Do I have to say it again? You serious? So simple. Caveman can do it. Useless, man. Useless. That calculus, bitch. Calculus. By computing the Fibonacci sequence, you undermine the effect of the optimum strategy, prioritizing corporate accounting into manual transactions. Get crunk. Of course, you must also know trigonometric physical characteristics of polaroid fabric boundary of the universe, comparing and composed to the recommendation of the American literature components of your pathetic geometric sabotage, like getting the dark matter reanimation circular process. Get crunk. But also, the facilitation concurrently will benefit developing gravitational field ribonucleic substances that will unbalance or overload Paleolithic antibody cell mutation, alternative lipids, glucose, or anything composed of fatty tissues or a Gemini component of or substantial pathway. That's when you put milk in the refrigerator. Don't undermine me. And get crunk. Get crunk. The crunk's with you, okay?